Hey guys, we ran across an AK-22 conversion kit. This is a relatively simple thing to do, maybe if you have a 5.56 AK, but most AKs aren't. Most AKs are 30 caliber. And while there have been some purpose-built 22 AKs, like the German ones out there, this is actually a drop-in conversion kit. So there are a lot of people out there who are interested in, well, this was maybe a little truer a few years ago when 22 ammo was cheaper, but shooting 22 as a cheap training or plinking alternative to full power ammo in an AK. So what we have here is a set of conversion parts. It's a standard AK mag body, so it's going to use the same locking system, but then they've replaced the innards with a 25 round 22 caliber magazine. Because it's a 30 caliber rifle, you need to have a complete barrel insert. So it's a 22 caliber bore that fits in a 7.62 by 39 chamber. Hinges here so that you can slide the thing into the gun, lock it down. This basically becomes your new receiver, sort of. And then you have a bolt with a charging handle that slides in there, and then a recoil spring assembly. You take out the original recoil spring of the gun, and there we go. This guy basically sits there, gives you a recoil spring for the bolt to work against. They've got this assembled in a gun right here. So you've got a little blowback 22. Ejection port right there, which of course opens into the main ejection port of the original design. These came out of Croatia. They're asking about $270 for them each. They do have a dealer price, a distributor price, all that sort of stuff, but reasonably cost effective. It would be interesting to hopefully get a chance to do some shooting with one. There are lots of elements in something like this that can be reliable or can be not reliable, but a neat thing. Maybe a little bit later than, they could have done great with this 5 or 10 years ago, but it's cool to see it today.